Nanda. June 26th, International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. Say no to drugs. Theme of the day is Share Drug Facts to Save Life. Thank you.
A warm welcome to all. I am Rishikesh M. I am here to tell a few words on International Day Against Drug Abuse. The International Day Against Drug Abuse or World Drug Day is marked on 26 June every year to strengthen action and cooperate in achieving the goal of world-free drug abuse. According to United Nations, this is supported every year by various organizations all over the world, communities and individuals. The main aim is to raise awareness to the major problem that illicit drug represent to society. According to the latest World Drug Report, drugs consumption has gone up to 30% in the last decade. A total of 269 million people use drugs globally, out of which 35 million suffered from drug disorders. In 7 December 1987, the UN General Assembly passed a resolution to celebrate International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking on June 26. Every year, the World Drug Day is focused on a theme. Share drug facts to save life. This is the theme of 2021 International Day Against Drug Abuse. It is aimed to combat misinformation and encourage the exchange of drug facts. By this, I am concluding my small speech. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.
Namaste. Drug take you to hell, distinguished as heaven. I am Shweta Sadish of class 9th and I am going to talk about a major problem or crime in youth, that is drug abuse. Every year on June 26, the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking is observed around the world. Better knowledge for better care. The day is devoted to eliminating drug misuses and addressing the structural causes that fuel the illegal drug trade. Share drug facts to save life is the theme of 2020-21. International Day Against Drug and Illicit Trafficking aim to combat misinformation and encourage the exchange of drug facts. From health hazards to the solution to the global drug problem to evidence-based prevention, rehabilitation and aftercare. The campaign presents significant facts and data from the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crimes Annual World Drug Report, thus presenting facts and practical answers to the current global drug crisis in order to achieve scientific vision of health for all. The day is utilized to instill a feeling of responsibility in the individuals around the world, especially children and teens. All around the globe, events are held in schools, colleges, workplaces and public areas to raise awareness of the overall as well as the risk of drugs and their usage. In December 1987, the United Nations General Assembly proclaimed June 26 as the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking to aware the people about the harmful after effects. So let us hope for the future free from drug abuse. So that's all. I'm concluding my speech and thank you.